You ready?
Yeah.
Oh boy. I'm gonna get you another spoonful here.
This is Laurel's third day of eating solid
boy.
foods. She is eating applesauce
She
and
loves applesauce.
clearly loving it.
Eats the whole spoonful.
Yeah.
Oh.
She licks it clean.
You gotta wipe her mouth, eh? Use the spoon. Scoop it back in.
Oh, she gets your hands in the way sometimes, though.
Come here.
Oh,
Here you go.
oh boy, that was good.
Loving solid foods.
Yes.
Earlier today,
One
she
more.
was guiding my hand in
One more.
to her mouth.
Oh, yes. Lick it clean. There you go.
Good girl, Laurel.
That's all. That's all we can give you.
Good girl.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it? Want a cookie?
She opened her mouth.
She wants more.
That's okay.
We can't have anything hard yet.